If you want to lock apps with Fingerprint on Redmi 15, then first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and we want to open apps, and then we're gonna go to app lock over here. Press turn on. Now we need to create a password. So first we can either use this pattern type, or we can go to change password in order to choose a pattern, pin code, or standard password. I'm gonna actually stick with the pattern, so I'm gonna draw my password twice, and then let's go next. Now over here we can use our Xiaomi account in order to be able to reset the password in case you forget it, but I'm just gonna press not now, and then after 5 seconds we can choose not now again. There we go. Now here we can immediately choose these example apps that can be locked, but of course we can uncheck them if you want to decide by yourself. There we go, and let's choose use app lock. And now over here we can turn on fingerprint unlock, as you can see. So this might be visible if you already have the fingerprint set up on your smartphone. So we're gonna use the fingerprint in order to proceed. And there we go. Now in case you want to re-enable it in the setting, for example, you already have the app lock set up, but you don't have the fingerprint enabled, then we can go into the top right corner and tap on the setting icon in the top right corner over here, and you should be able to find biometrics where we have fingerprint unlock. So of course we want to tap over here in order to turn it on. And if this option is, for example, not visible or something, if it's not there, if it's missing, then you might need to actually add the fingerprint on your smartphone first. And of course, after that, we can choose apps that should be locked. So let's say I'm gonna lock YouTube. And now if we go and try open YouTube, you will see that we have to unlock the access, so we can use the fingerprint. There we go. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.